at night, eyes are always open wide. Dreaming is no option, I'm in full-blown overload. Getting up a brighter day, hoping I can change my way. Shut it down before my senses overdose. Searching for an honest smile, finding myself caught in full-blown overload. Waiting for this perfect day, when I find a perfect way, leave behind what makes my senses overdose.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.